In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful guide on how to fix Windows Security Center service can't be started in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, press Windows key and R key together on your keyboard, and in that way you will be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for Reged Edit. Again, it is Reged Edit and click on OK to continue. You would be receiving a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you can continue on running this system called registry editor. Okay, so from here please navigate with the key named hkey underscore local underscore machine. So double tap to expand it, and from here please proceed with the system. Double tap here, and under the system please proceed with current control set, and then double tapped again to expand it, and this time please proceed with the services. So double tapped again, and here at the services you need to click any of this file folder and type W in your keyboard so that you would be navigated easily to the file which has an initial for letter W. So here, please locate with the file folder name WSC SVC. Again, it is WSC SVC. So we just have to scroll down and locate for it. So I can see it here, which is WSC, then the SVC. So we just have to navigate here at the start. Okay, double tap here and ensure that the value data has been set into 2. So the one of the factor why you face an error is that you have set a different value data here. So it's very important to set it into 2. So click on the backspace and go with 2 and click on OK. So from that, you just have to close all the file folders here. Okay. And then might as well the registry editor, close it, navigate to the start and restart your computer. Okay, so there is a need to restart your computer in order to apply on the actions that we have just performed in this video. So restart your computer and check if your problem has been fixed. The next step that you need to do is you need to press Windows key and R key again, and this time please type for services.msc, and then click on the OK. And the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to bring up a new window, which is the services. So here at the services, you need to locate with the security center. So select any of the service, type as in your keyboard, and you need to locate for a security center. And here you need to ensure that the status is running and it is being set into automatic. So by that, make a right click, go with properties, go with this down arrow key, go with automatic and click on the start. Make sure it is running, click on apply and then OK. Once done, restart your computer again and your problem will be fixed. Okay, so those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think those steps had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.